Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Discord not opening in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all on the start menu right click and go to your task manager. Open a task manager and go to your process tab. Scroll down and find out a Discord. Select it, click on end task. Now after that close it. Go to your search and type a run. Open a run command and type a percentage temp and percentage and press OK button. After doing this step, this is a temporary files which is automatically downloaded from computers, sorry, from internet. So select all it and delete it. After that close it, and after that open a Discord. Now I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.